Hey guys, welcome to this Samsung tutorial. Here I'll detail how to stop floating keyboard in Samsung. So if while typing whether on WhatsApp, then all you see is this floating keyboard, or when you are trying to send a message in your Samsung, then all you see is this floating keyboard. So here I'll detail how you can easily turn off or disable the floating keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you're done of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to stop floating keyboard in Samsung, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to General Management and click on it. Then, under General Management, locate Keyboard List and Default and click on that. Then, once you selected Keyboard List and Default, select your keyboard. In this case, I am using the Samsung keyboard as my default keyboard. So, if you have any other keyboard you're using, you're going to select the name of the keyboard under All. So here I'll just select the Samsung keyboard. Now once you selected that, scroll down the page until you get to mode and then click on mode. Now once you selected mode, you should see floating keyboard turned on here. Under portrait view, I have floating keyboard enabled. Under landscape view, I have floating keyboard enabled. So if you have the floating keyboard enabled here, go ahead and turn off the floating keyboard by selecting standard keyboard under portrait and standard keyboard under landscape view. Then once you're done, hit the back button. Then go ahead and open any chart where you want to use the keyboard or where the floating keyboard pops. Then click on it like this. Then you should see the floating keyboard turned off. So that is basically how to turn off floating keyboard in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.